Olive leaf extract is derived from the leaves of the olive tree and is known for its potential health benefits. Some of the key benefits of olive leaf extract include antioxidant properties. Olive leaf extract is rich in antioxidants such as oleuropein, which can help protect the body from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Heart health. Some studies suggest that olive leaf extract may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which are important factors in heart health. Immune system support. Olive leaf extract may have antimicrobial properties, helping to fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. It may also help boost the immune system. Anti-inflammatory effects. Olive leaf extract may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is believed to play a role in many chronic diseases. Blood sugar control. Some research suggests that olive leaf extract may help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels, which could be beneficial for people with diabetes. Skin health. Olive leaf extract may have antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it beneficial for skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Cognitive function. Some studies suggest that olive leaf extract may help protect against cognitive decline and improve memory and learning. It's important to note that while olive leaf extract shows promise in many areas, more research is needed to fully understand its effects and determine optimal dosages for specific health benefits. As with any supplement, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before adding olive leaf extract to your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications.